Okay, so I'm using the background. It's Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide Whim. And my paper layers are scraps from, see here, this is June. This is the first layout I'm doing using June. So these are probably May, probably from the May kit. And then that layer right there, that you see the rainbows, I'm using the bird side, but the rainbow side come from the layout from my rabbit. Oops, I forgot to bring out my new suet. I was just looking outside and I remembered that I put my suet on the shelf in the garage and forgot to take it out to the feeders because I see the birds are back for they kind of disappear over the summer. They're not quite as, well, we always have cardinals, always. But my chickadees and my titmice seem to disappear during the hot seasons, but they are back, man. They are just eating up my bird seed up here in the front. I mean, I have one in the back too, but they seem to like the one in the front. So I'm a nature person. I love birds and being out in nature, and it kills me to not be able to walk in our woods because we would pass by the swamp, but it was far back. But with all the rain we've been getting, the water has come up to close to, still a little, I mean, a few feet away, but after having that alligator cross through my yard, even however it was a baby, well, makes me a bit cautious about walking with my dog past the swamp, knowing that that baby alligator probably went to go find mommy and daddy because he headed right in that general direction. So anyway, back to my layout. I am using that blue jean fabric sticker, and die cuts are all from Pink Fresh Studio Simple and Sweet. And I thought about using these epoxy badges, but I do not. You know, I've been renting this house. I was hoping to have purchased a house by now, but I'm still renting. And so I've been living here for four and a half years. Yeah, 4 years. And I have not once ever seen alligators until this summer. Was he just on my suet? I have a suet out there, but they don't seem to be eating it, so I put it by my bird feeder to see. I make homemade suet, and I want them to eat it, but they're eating the bird seed and skipping the suet. Grrr. Which my suet has the same bird seed in it as in the bird. Oh, he's on the bird. Oh, he's on the suet. Oh, he flew away. Grrr. Sorry, I'm bird watching. So I'm going to do some enamelats. Then the washi tape is from May Kit. I am going to use some stickers for my title. I am going to use the already made, those right there. I'm going to use Perfect and Getaway. And those are American Crafts Chill Thickers. And I'm just getting me some wax paper so I can use that. And I am going to use Father and Son. So it's going to say Perfect Father and Son Getaway. And the Father and Son is Pink Fresh Studio Simple and Sweet. And this picture reminds me of, and I tried to figure out how to title it based on that, but this picture reminds me of the scene of Forrest Gump where he goes to Jenny's apartment and meets his son, and they go and they sit in front of the TV and they sit with their head to one side, both watching this TV the same exact way. So when I saw this picture, my mind immediately went to that scene. So, but I decided to title it Perfect Father and Son Getaway. And that is my great nephew and my niece's husband. So I guess, does that make him my nephew-in-law? I don't know. Anyway. And is Pink Fresh Studio the mix in green. And when I get that down, that completes my layout. And so when I get more done, I will be back with those. So if you could help me out and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized again, because YouTube was nice enough to change their policy on monetization and made it so I no longer can be monetized, which helped me out with supplies in my classroom. I used it towards school. So anyway, thank you guys. Bye.